Backstitched chain is done over foundation of chain stitch. This is an interesting variation of chain stitch which incorporated backstitch. This is a fine example of how two different stitches can be combined to create a different effect. Create a foundation of chain stitch. If you don't remember how to do chain stitch, you can watch this video. Use a contrasting thread and bring it up from the first chain stitch, right in the middle between threads. Put the needle down in the middle of the second chain stitch. Come up in the middle of the next chain stitch and make a back stitch. Continue up the line until you've backstitched the whole line of chain stitch. The stitch can be worked on both straight and curved lines. It can be used beautifully to create an interest in the designs and create different textures. At the end, simply take down the needle into the last chain stitch and secure the thread with a finishing stitch on the back side. This is such a fun stitch. I hope you enjoy it and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like that. In my next video, I will be talking about all the rest chain stitch variations, and you will probably learn more stitches with me. If you want to stitch this sampler too, I have many samplers like that available on my Patreon. You can also find some PDFs with such samplers on my Etsy shop. All the links in the video description below. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!